What is up, YouTube? It is Finance Finesse coming at you with another unboxing video. Today we have an Amazon product, BULLIANT tactical belt. Pretty high quality box here. Got a little bit of a texture on it. Right here along the bottom, from nature for your nature. Box slides right off. Comes in a 2-pack. Take one of these out. Buckle comes already attached. Belt feels very high quality. You can see it's got like the carbon fiber woven print on it. Let's take a look at the buckle. Same type design on the buckle. And we'll look at the second belt briefly. This is the navy blue. Also very similar. Belt buckle's a little bit different than the belt's color. Let's see if that holds true for the other one. Yeah, so the buckle color is a bit faded in comparison to the color of the actual belt. And as you can see on the inside, it is a ratcheting belt. You can see that right there on both of the belts, and these are cut to size. So if the belt is too long, you can just cut it down. Again, this was the BULLIANT unboxing video.